Hello everyone, I am Chris Marcy Pedida from Base BA MM2B. Today, I'm going to show you the patterns found in nature. So let's start. Do you believe that we live in a universe full of patterns? Look carefully around you and you may start to notice that the nature is full with many different types of patterns. We see a great diversity of living things from the microscopic, from the simple to complex and bright colors to the dull one. One of the most indigenous things to see in nature are patterns. Symmetry. Symmetry patterns are a design or pattern that is the same on both halves when folded, just like this example of leaves. Fractals. In mathematics, a fractal is a geometric shape containing detailed structure and arbitrarily small scales. Take a look with this example. Spirals. In mathematics, a spiral is a curve which emanates from point moving further away as a circular pattern beginning at the center point and circling around the center point as the pattern moves outward, just like this example. Tessellations. Tessellations are patterns of shapes found on a plane. It should be made of shapes with edge. There should be no gaps and there should be no overlapping. See this example.